Hey guys, this is Uncle Builds, your Filipino uncle here in Minecraft. Today's video, I'm gonna show you my life here in Sakura Island. What you're gonna see here is I'm gonna explore and do some jobs and also do some crazy things. So come on and join me and let's have fun and have a blast here in Sakura Island. And by the way, if you like the video as well, please share it to your friend. Okay, and by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe so you could watch my video. Let's go. Okay, now we need just to go to the shore so that we could start our life here in Sakura Island. And yeah, as you can see, we're here. And if you see a big building in front of me, that's where I'm going to start my job. But before that, I do need to find an apartment for me to stay so I could relax when I'm done at my work. But we need to walk slowly here because it seems like that this small bridge going to the sand of the beach is really crooked. We'll just need to walk slowly. Oh, there are foreigners as well here. That's good. So I'm not only going to speak with the Japanese people here in Sakura Island, I'll be also talking with other people here. That's nice. I can speak English. And hopefully I could find Filipino friends here. So let's go first to my work because they have all the information needed so that I can go to my apartment. So let's go. I see the sun is rising up. And by the way, guys, kala nyo ang galing ko mag-English, no? Also, hindi din ako mag-i-English lang. Magtatagalog din ako dito sa video na to. Kaya tulungan nyo ako para mag-enjoy tayo dito. Ang buhay dito sa Sakura Island is masaya. Tara, simulan na natin. Para makauwi-uwi na rin tayo sa apartment natin. Pagod kasi ako sa biyahe. Uy, may aso. Ang cute-cute naman. Sana wag akong kagatin. Grabe naman, may bunny ears pa siya. Pero tara na sa front desk para makauwi na tayo. Kailangan pala mag-English. Tapakan na natin. Let's go, tara. Hi, miss. Do you work here?
Yes, I do. I'm the secretary. How can I help you?
Can I ask a question since I'm new here? Can you help me?
Ask away. I'm here to assist you with anything you need.
Grabe naman. Parang anime na anime. Parang Oni-chan. Pero, hi, I'm just a new employee here at your company. I am your new video editor, and I was wondering if you have a file on the apartment that I'll be staying here in this place.
Of course I can help you. Let me just pull up your file and we can get this sorted out.
By the way, I'm Uncle Build, so you could look up my file quickly. And yeah, thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Just give me a moment to pull up your information.
Alright, thank you very much. I'll be waiting. Okay. Oh, do you have my information now? I really need to go home. I am so tired and I need to go to the apartment.
Yes, I've got everything here. Let me just print it out for you.
So much, that was fast. And by the way, I think the apartment that you have printed out for me is very far away. Would you be able to help me borrow some bike so I could go to my apartment as fast as I can, because it's been a really long travel and I need to rest.
Of course you can borrow a bike. We have plenty here. Would you like me to show you where the bike rack is?
Oh, that's okay. I can actually find a bike on your garage or the company garage. And yeah, thank you very much for your help.
No problem. If you need anything else, just let me know.
ayun, buti na lang, tinulungan tayo dito, so alam na natin kung saan tayo pupunta. Tsaka ang pinakamaganda dyan is may GPS tayo at pinahirapan tayo ng bike. Wow, may bike nga dito. Iisa na lang, baka kinuha nila. Oh, bakit nangyari dito sa bike na to? Ba't magalaw? Ako po, nangyari dito sa bike na to? Parang may sapi. Hala, gumagalaw. Grabe, kailangan ibalik na natin to. Baka mapahamak pa tayo dito. Grabe naman tong bike na to, parang may multo. Grabe, alis na nga tayo. Hala, bumalik. Grabe, may multo talaga dito. Grabe naman, walang bike, mapipilitan maglakad. Takbo na tayo. Grabe naman talaga oh. Dito pa sa Sakura Island. Well, maraming nga multo. Pero anyway, wow, meron pa pala ditong pagkainan ng So, hindi mahirapan pag galing. Uy, may chicks. Papogi. Yun, tara. Grabe. Grabe talaga oh. Grabe. Kailangan magtakbo-takbo dito para makauwi sa apartment. Sundan ko na yung GPS ko. So, sabi nila, turn right. Iba station, pero baka maligaw tayo. Pero, maglakad-lakad na lang tayo. Grabe talaga oh. Ang layo-layo ng dinayo ko. Tapos, kailangan ko maglakad papunta ng apartment. Doble pagod. Ay nako, pag uwi ko talaga, matutulog ako. Kailangan ko talagang hanapin. Grabe. Guys, grabe naman oh. Pagod na ako. Kailangan talaga takbo-takbo natin to. Grabe. At least makakauwi din tayo maaga siguro. For the last time siguro. Alam ko naman may GPS tayo, pero let's try lang na as magtanong sa mga tao. Ito, may tao dito. Ayan. Hello. Hi. Do you speak English, sir? Hello. Hi. Ay, grabe. Isnabero. Grabe naman. Well, siguro naman yung mga tao dito busy kasi umaga naman talaga. May mga gagawin sa buhay. Kaya na nga lang natin yung mga tao dito. Sarap sana magtanong pero mukhang busy sila. Oh, dito din may dalawang magsyota dito. Anong kaya din sila? Ay, mukhang nag-uusap sila. Parang may kailangan pag-usapan tong dalawang couples na to. Hayaan ko na nga lang. Nakakaya din naman magtanong kasi baka kailangan ko ulit mag-English. Mapapasabak ulit tayo. Pero, di bali may GPS naman ako eh. Kaya baka mahanap ko din tong apartment na pagtutulugan ko habang nagtatrabaho dito sa Sakura Island. So, ayan. Kailangan lang natin sundan to. Feel ko malapit na talaga ako. Kunting lakad pa. Ito na ata yun eh. Ito na nga. Feel ko eh. Kasi sabi daw nila parang village siya na magandang itsura eh. Yung parang may mga piyesta-piyesta. Ito na ata yun. Uy, kung siniswerte pa naman nga may church dito. Alam ko dito madaling makipag-usap kasi alam ko mga tao dito hindi snabero. May ate dito. Tanungin ko nga. Hi miss, are you one of the member here at this church?
Yes, I am. And I can tell you have been in trouble. What's going on?
I'm actually currently looking for my apartment here and I'm new to this village, so yeah, would you be able to help me?
Oh, I see. You're new here? Well, I know the village pretty well.
Good, you know the village pretty well. So, do you know where the apartment that has a tower beside it?
Oh, I know that one. It's a nice place with a beautiful view of the city, and it's not too far from the church.
I see. That's a good sign. Well, now I know that I'm near. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. And if you ever need anything else, just let me know.
Sure, I would try to come by and visit this church every Sunday. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. We have a lot of activities at the church, and it's always a welcoming place. You'll fit right in.
Alright. Okay then, I have to go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ayun, sa wakas, malapit na nga talaga ako, sabi ni ate. So yun, maraming salamat sa tulong mo, te. Aalis na ako. Ay, lalabas muna ako dito. Ay nako, so sabi nga, tama naman yung sabi ng GPS. Aakyat ako dito, tapos titignan ko yung parang mukhang piyesta. Oh, parang nga may piyesta dito. Ang ganda-ganda naman dito. May piyesta. Oh, wow. Mayroon pa talagang dami. Ano itong nakikita ko? Uy, cake shop. Cake shop pala to. Ang ganda naman dito. Ayun, may nag-iihaw din dito ng chicken. Tapos may steak pa dito. Wow, sarap-sarap naman talaga. Uy, may sushi din pala dito. Oh. Ano kaya ito? Ay, naku, binagsak yung table. Sorry te, ayusin ko na. Ayan, ayusin ko na. Ayan. Thank you so much te, huwag kang magalit ha. Ay, may nagbebenta din ng smoothie dito. Ay naku, sana may pera na ako pambili agad dito. Pero anyway guys, baka nakita ko na yung tower. Sabi ng GPS dito at alam ko pagod na ako. So kailangan ko na magpahinga talaga. At kailangan ko na umuwi. Kaya alam ko malapit na ako. So ayan na, tatakbuhin ko na to. Gusto ko na talaga magpahinga guys. At ayun na nga guys, nakita ko na, ito na yung may tower. Dito na, kitang-kita ko na yung tower. Tapos ayan, ang ganda ng tower. Papasyalan ko ninyo. At ito na yung apartment ko guys. Sa wakas, nakauwi din ako. And yun, for now guys, salamat sa paghatid sa akin guys. Salamat talaga. Salamat. Ngayon, nakauwi na ako. Guys, alam nyo ba, gusto ko nang magpahinga. Ayun guys, maraming salamat sa inyo. Nakauwi na rin ako sa apartment ko. And thank you so much na tinulong-tulungan nyo ko. But by now, pagod na ako sa araw na to. Kaya guys, sa next episode na tayo. Paalam muna. At magpapahinga na ako. Bye-bye guys. See you sa next episode. Salamat sa panunood.